Hey everyone, are you trying to access Discord in Russia but nothing is loading? Maybe the app is stuck, you can't log in, or voice chat just won't connect? You're not alone. Discord is often restricted or blocked in Russia, and that's exactly what I'm going to help you fix today. In this video, I'll show you how to access Discord in Russia with a safe and easy method that works. Be sure to check the NordVPN link in the description. It's the VPN I personally use to access Discord and other blocked apps. If you're in Russia and Discord isn't working, it's likely not your device. It's probably due to government censorship or ISP restrictions. These restrictions are often temporary but very real, and you'll notice Discord won't open, messages don't send, voice chat fails to connect. It's frustrating, but very fixable. To bypass these restrictions and access Discord, you'll need to use a VPN, Virtual Private Network. A VPN changes your IP so it looks like you're in another country, encrypts your internet traffic so your provider can't block or monitor it, restores full access to all Discord features, text, voice, video, and more. I recommend using NordVPN because it has obfuscated servers that are designed to beat government censorship. It's fast, secure, and reliable for voice calls and gaming. It has a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk. Let me show you exactly how to set it up. Step 1. Click the NordVPN link in the description to sign up. Step 2. Choose your plan and create an account. Step 3. Download and install NordVPN on your device. Step 4. Open the app and go to Settings, Auto Connect. Enable obfuscated servers. Step 5. Connect to a server in a safe country, like Germany, the Netherlands, or the US. Step 6. Open Discord. And now everything should work just like normal. If Discord is still giving you issues, try these quick fixes. Switch to another VPN server. Restart Discord and your device. Clear Discord's cache, especially if on PC or Mac. Change VPN protocol to NordLynx or OpenVPN TCP. One of these usually solves the issue. So that's how you access Discord in Russia, even if it's completely blocked. Use NordVPN with obfuscated servers. Connect to a secure country. Open Discord and enjoy full access to your servers, voice, and messages. Click the link in the description to try NordVPN risk-free with a special discount. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. I always respond. Like this video if it helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on Discord that actually work. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.